Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to turn off the posts you might like suggestions on TikTok step by step. These suggestions can sometimes appear as notifications or recommendations. If you find them distracting or simply don't want to see them anymore, you can easily disable them in your settings. Let's get started. First, open the TikTok app on your phone. Next, tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner to go to your profile page. Once you're on your profile, tap the three-line menu in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, select Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down and look for the Content and Display section, then tap Notifications. Inside the notification settings, scroll down until you find Personalized Post Suggestions. Here you'll see an option called Posts You Might Like. Simply toggle this option off, and TikTok will stop sending you those suggestions. If you want, you can also turn off Posts from People You May Know suggestions in the same section. And that's it. You've successfully disabled the Posts You Might Like suggestions on TikTok. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.